So I've removed this so I can get at that, and then I have to remove the this little panel here to get at the screw so I can take the panel off. And that screw out, but I can't get the panel off. So I'm going to go and watch the other YouTube video to see how the other guy did it. So the next thing to do is to take this panel, this door window thingy off. So I'm just giving that a go. This is very difficult to get off. It's been quite difficult, but it's come off. Okay. So now I have to get the rest of the door panel off. So I've got to try and get this panel off, and I can't get it off. So the guy in the other YouTube video, he just put in a thing in here, pulled it off with his hands. But this one's probably never been taken off ever, so I'm going to have to work a bit harder to try and get it off without damaging it. I managed to get the panel off, but that was so hard. And now I should have unplugged this electrical window thing because it's stopping the panel from coming off. But the connections are really difficult, so I'm going to try and just get at the wing mirror without doing that. There's an easy way and there's a hard way. So I've just taken this off here. That was really difficult to get off. And it's getting dark. Next problem I've got is this screw to get off, and I can't, even though I found the right size screwdriver, I can't get at it. I need like a socket wrench thing. So it's getting dark now, and I try to use this to get in there to undo a bolt, and it just won't reach. I can't get in. I need a socket-y thing, long handly socket thing to get in there. Okay, so this is the right size for getting those bolts off, but because I couldn't reach them, I've bought this long thing and a ratchet to get at reach into those bolts. I didn't know that was called a ratchet, but now I've got that, I'm going to try and get the bolts off to get at the wing mirror. Yesterday, because it was dark, I just left the this just precariously placed hanging. So I'm now going to get at these 3 bolts, I think, in here to take the wing mirror off, the old wing mirror. So this is the right tool, this ratchet, and the long thing I can get at the bolts, so hopefully as long as they don't drop inside the door panel, I can get these bolts off. So there's 3 bolts I've had to take off, and I'm just gently undoing them with my fingers to be careful that they don't drop inside the door. 2 out of 3, and I'm putting all the bits to take off in this tray so that I don't lose anything. So I've undone all the bolts. This should now just come off. Oh, that's the broken bit. Anyway, so this should just come off. Well, I'm going to have to try it from the other side. One of the things stopping it from coming off is the this wire, so I'm going to unplug this wire and then the unit should just come off. Yeah, I've realised this wire has nothing to do with it. I had to look inside, there's another wire. I think what it is I've taken the bolts off inside here, but I haven't pushed them through to release the wing mirror. So that's what I'm going to do now. I managed to just pull the mirror off now that I've undone those bolts, but there's a wire going through now, so I need to disconnect that wire so I can get the old mirror off. Okay, so this is the new wing mirror, and as you can see, it's broken. This is the old cover. Had some plastic bits broken off, and that was an old bit as well. So all I've done is taken the cover from the new wing mirror and the this bottom thing from the new wing mirror and put it on the car, because the problem is this long wire goes right into the door and I couldn't get at it to unplug the old wing mirror. So basically I've just taken the cover from the new wing mirror and put it on the old wing mirror. So the new cover doesn't quite fit, but I've just put the new cover here and this new cover there. The old mirror is still a little bit wobbly because it's not, doesn't quite fit. So I didn't really put the new mirror on. I used the cover from the new mirror and this plastic thing from the new mirror, and I've actually just left the old mirror on as it was. But it's a little bit less broken than it was.